Today's video is about iPhone 14 features, specs for the iPhone 14. Are you curious about the features of the iPhone 14 series? There is a new chipset for the top models, improved screens, faster RAM, and finally there is now mandatory support for the iPhone 14 eSIM on all models. This is due to the fact that none of the phones sold in the United States have physical SIM card ports. Battery capacity. The capacity of the battery measured in both mAh and watt-hour will be made public at a later time, as is customary with Apple. The company does not officially publish the size of its batteries. Apple, on the other hand, provides an estimate of the number of years that each phone will serve its owner in a variety of conditions. Design, color, and display. When compared to its predecessor, the design of the iPhone 14 has not been modified. Rather, improvements have been made to the device's internal components. On the other hand, it is available in the following hues: midnight, purple, starlight blue, and red. Because of improvements to its thermal performance brought about by a revised internal design, the iPhone 14 should not become as hot to the touch during use or charging as did earlier models of the iPhone. The Super Retina XDR displays make use of OLED technology, and they have a contrast ratio of 2 millions to 1, as well as support for Dolby Vision visuals and up to 1200 nits of peak HDR brightness. The screen of the iPhone 14 has a resolution of 2532 by 1170 pixels with 460 pixels per inch. Ceramic shield front glass is back, and this time it's only available on Apple's iPhones. It won't be found on any other smartphone on the market. The display is protected from common accidents and spills involving water and dust thanks to the ceramic shield's presence. Additionally, the iPhone 14 has been given a rating of IP68, which confers upon it the ability to withstand water immersion of up to 6 meters for a period of 30 minutes. CPU, storage, and random access memory of the iPhone 14. The A15 Bionic chip, which is currently used in the iPhone 13 family of products, will continue to be used in the iPhone 14. This entails a 16-core neural engine in addition to a 6-core central processing unit that has 2 high-performance cores and 4 efficiency cores. Additionally, it features a graphics processing unit with 5 cores for high-performance gaming and graphics, and it drives the brand new Photonic engine. The iPhone 14 and 14 Plus come with storage capacities of 128 GB, 256 GB, and 512 GB respectively. The RAM capacity of the iPhone 14 has been increased to 6 GB, up from 4 GB in the iPhone 13. The performance of multitasking and running multiple applications will be improved as a result of this change. Well, do you like what you're seeing so far? Don't forget to like and subscribe. Keep watching because you don't want to miss the end. iPhone 14 camera. The camera system in the iPhone 14 is still 12 megapixels, but both the sensor and the pixel sizes have increased compared to earlier iPhones, making this model an upgrade overall. In addition to that, it has a brand new front-facing true depth camera system and ultra-wide lens, and it has also introduced the new Photonic engine, which brings about significant advances in its ability to function in low light. The new Photonic engine is fully integrated into both the hardware and software, which results in an improvement in the overall quality of images taken by all cameras in both moderate and low light. This means that the ultra-wide camera can achieve up to 2 times magnification, the true depth camera can achieve 2 times magnification, and the main wide camera can achieve 2.5 times magnification. The application of computational photographic characteristics such as deep fusion earlier on in the imaging process is what makes the improvement in quality possible thanks to Photonic engine. Incredible detail, the retention of subtle textures, improved coloration, and a greater amount of overall data in a photograph should all be delivered by the finished product. Crash detection and emergency SOS through satellite on the Apple iPhone 14. Crash detection is a new form of protection that will be available on the iPhone 14 from Apple. Crash detection is also incorporated in the new Apple Watch Series 8 and Apple Watch SE 2 models. iPhone 14 with 5G capability and eSIM. The iPhone 14 will still support 5G connectivity, but it will also transition to eSIM. As Apple moves forward with eSIM exclusively, this means that there will be no longer SIM card trays in any of the iPhone models sold in the United States. Changing cellular plans and service providers should become less difficult as a result of this development, at least in theory. At the moment, carriers make advantage of it in order to lock your device to their particular network. Dual eSIM functionality is included with the iPhone 14. iPhone 14 with 5G capability and eSIM. The iPhone 14 will still support 5G connectivity, but it will also transition to eSIM. As Apple moves forward with eSIM exclusively, this means that there will be no longer SIM card trays in any of the iPhone models sold in the United States. Changing cellular plans and service providers should become less difficult as a result of this development, at least in theory. At the moment, carriers make advantage of it in order to lock your device to their particular network. Dual eSIM functionality is included with the iPhone 14. So, that's it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Hit us up in the comments and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for our channel so you never miss what's coming next from us. Thanks for watching!